An unmanned tiltrotor can be used to perform routine cargo delivery missions to forward outposts without having rescue crews on standby in the event of an accident or loss of combat. Bell's achievements with the V-280 helicopter are an indicator of how unmanned capabilities are growing everywhere in modern military systems. In December 2019, Bell had the V-280 Valor tilt-rotor demonstrator perform an entire test mission drive driven according to computer algorithms, almost without human input. To be exact, the V-280's software individually performed all of the tasks that might be expected of it in a routine non-combat mission without human input. But a human operator was on board in the helicopter during the transitions between each tasks. Those tasks include 1. Taking off vertically in helicopter mode, with the V-280's propellers tilted upward to serve as rotors. 2. Transitioning the rotors to horizontally oriented airplane mode, with greater speed and fuel efficiency. 3. Cruising towards multiple waypoints in horizontal flight mode. 4. Loitering by flying in circles above a waypoint. 5. Tilting the rotor back to vertical and landing helicopter style at a destination. If further tests are undertaken, none are presently scheduled, they would likely seek to seamlessly integrate those tasks in one continuous autonomous flight operation. What's especially striking is that the tech demonstrator isn't even primarily intended to serve as an unmanned system. It's competing with the Sikorsky Boeing SB-1 Defiant compound rotor helicopter in the Army's Future Vertical Lift competition, particularly the Future Long-Range Assault Aircraft program, which seeks a successor to Workhorse U-60 Black Hawk helicopter used both for cargo missions and to deliver troops into combat. FVL is one of the Army's priorities in its Big Six modernization program to re-equip its forces for 21st-century warfare. Like for the optionally manned fighting vehicle intended to replace the Army's M2 Bradley infantry fighting vehicles, recently cancelled but likely be rebooted soon, Bell's tests suggest that unmanned capability may increasingly become a standard feature in platforms that aren't even primarily intended for use as drones. Despite being more expensive and historically crash-prone,